Hey guys, this is Maddie Walsh here. So, as you guys did not know, sorry if my hair is a little messy. I actually just woke up. If you guys didn't know, I gave my boyfriend my mini fridge. I don't know if you saw that video the last time, but yes, and I did spend the night at his house. But yeah, so this is the mini fridge right here, and I think y'all saw my mini fridge before when I was first got it, when I was touring it. This was my mascot. This is the mascot, my name letter, me and my daddy right here, and a Michigan State Spartan magnet clip, and I am obsessed with Spartans. Yeah, and that was at my graduation. And then, shoot. Ah! Oh, why is this so... Anyways, and then this was my graduation invitation. And yes, I did dye my hair red. And this is the Titans magnet clip, and I actually went to basketball camp there. It's a special needs basketball camp, day camp, and I actually sang the national anthem at that game. And then this is actually a real background, like not even joking. And my sister did the 2023, so yeah. And I really hate when my mom put my real name on there and my middle name. So anyways, my boo-boo went shopping yesterday. I'm sorry, my boyfriend, I call him my boo-boo. I'm gonna do that with later. So my boo went shopping yesterday, and he bought all that. So there's like donuts, barbecue sauce, applesauce, yogurt, milk. I think that was actually for me. The Powerade drinks, which I do think they're 0 point of fake sugar, and then the Diet Cokes, and then more Diet Cokes, the 0 point Gatorade. So yeah, but here's the one thing. So he bought like pizzas and like burritos, ice cream. What is this one? That's like frozen peaches, I want to say. I'm guessing it's frozen peaches. And like more pizzas and uncrustable PB&J, and what is that one? I'm guessing that's what is that one right there? Oh, those are mozzarella sticks. So yeah, and he bought like cookies and cereal, and like that's like Lucky Charms and that Cinnamon Toast Crunch. He bought those little cinnamon things, and I can't have cinnamon because I'm allergic. And I did buy those Oreos for him. He bought those like Gatorade, Powerade things, and I did buy that paper plate, and I did buy that. No, I did not buy that green drink. He loves Hawaiian Punch. He really does. So yeah, that's my video. So if you all wanna subscribe me on YouTube, go right ahead. So make sure you subscribe me on YouTube. Make sure you guys share it, and make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you hit that notification button if you want to see any more of my videos. And make sure you comment down below. Oh, and follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Threads, go follow me on Messenger too. Sorry, no, I already said Instagram. Trying to think what else. Oh, TikTok, Lemonade, and Pinterest. So I'm gonna figure out how to make Twitter again. So yeah, so if I do have Twitter, I will leave it in the descriptions. My Twitter keeps on suspending my accounts for some reason. Like, this is like the 8th time that this happened. So, but anyways, yeah. So make sure you comment down below. make sure you comment that. Yeah, make sure you comment down below. Make sure you share this video. Well, not share this video. Make sure you share my channel. Please share my channel, please. And also make sure. Oh, there's an airplane. So distracted. My boo-boo lives right by the airport. So, anyways, and make sure you comment. Make sure you comment down below, like I said, and make sure you share my channel. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.